Do you ever got the feeling that you stopped enjoying your life as developer? You have the great experience, work in big companies, you have well-paid job, everything should be fine with your life in general perspective. But for some reasons you didn't feel yourself enjoying your life every day. In this video we would cover the most common reasons why you have this feeling as software engineer and how you could solve this. Hi everyone, welcome in your safe place in this fast-changing, crazy world. Today I wanted to share with you a topic that everybody knows and nobody talks openly about it. It's why you stop enjoying your life as software engineer. If you feel yourself burnout, tired, unhappy, this video is for you. Watch this video till then to get back your joy of life. Let's start with early days in your career. Do you remember why you going into engineering? What was interesting for you? Why you starting this journey? You were passionate about solving complex projects, learning new things. Everything was interesting to you. You feel the satisfaction when you build complex solutions from scratch. You got this feeling that possibilities were endless. It didn't even feel like a work. It felt like a cool hobby when you learn something new each day. But as the time go, your courage start go away. What was fun and interesting for you previously now feels like routine job which drain your resources every day and take away your power. Why does this happen? Work is an important part of your life, and if we are speaking about software engineers, we usually working in high pressure environments. The tech industry is rapid changing and demanding. There are always a strict deadlines, new tools that you need to use today in your task, fast changing task requirements, and a lot of amount of work that needs to be done in strict timelines. Working under such pressure every day would make you feel like routine crunchy robot which make endless tasks each day. You feel yourself like hamster in hamster wheel. You're running endlessly. Each day is the same day and you're starting to feel stress. Of course, if you would feel stress every day, it would impact on your life. You would start to losing joy from your life. That's why it's like basic number one reason of developers losing joy in life. Next, let's talk about our unhealthy work culture in the world. We all have the idea that we need to work hard all the time to be successful. You might feel that you always need to work to late night, weekends, your vacation and family even. That you never should take a break from your work. But this is bad for you. This mindset is highly damaging for your mental health. When you're working in such mode, you didn't give yourself a chance to relax or recharge. You are human. Human needs some time to rest. You couldn't work as a robot. Remember this. This could lead you to burnout. Burnout would kill your passion for your work and for your life. Never do this. Our working culture glorifies overworking, but in reality overworking is number one reason why developers start losing a love for their work. And when you lose a passion for your work, you lose your job. Working too much would make you feel tired and unhappy. It would take away the joy that you have in your life. Another major factor related to previous topic is loss of work-life balance. As software engineers, we usually find ourselves working late nights on weekends or even on vacation days. The line between your work and personal life would be blurred, and before you would know it, work would consume all of your life. It would take all of your energy. The lack of this balance can lead you to hate your job, hate your life, and hate all the industries that you're working in. When work take all of your life, no wonder that your joy of life would go away from you. Last one top reason related to burnout and mental health issues for software engineer is isolation. As human, social isolation is very important for you, for your healthy well-being. Software engineer in solitary profession. For sure we have team meetings, code reviews, code sessions, conversations and others, but a lot of work we are making fully alone near our screen. We have like 8 plus hours coding and creating something new. We didn't interact with other real people. We are working with monitor and keyboard. It's our inputs for this work. Isolation makes you feel hard to find joy in your life because you didn't feel connection with other humans in reality. Remember, a lot of software engineers feeling themselves comfortable to chatting with keyboard instead of having real conversations with humans. And it's pretty logical. If every day you're working with your keyboard and making something, typing code, changing something, for you it would be more comfortable to speak with people through chatting, through keyboard. Imagine if computer was a real human that you need to interact to get some results. Of course, you would be better in social skills. But when you're taking a lot of time looking in your laptop and no interaction with real humans, it wouldn't be healthy for you. I mentioned the most common reason of losing joy of life in software engineers' work. And for sure, after all of this, you have the only one question. How I could bring the joy of my life back? What could be done with this? What should I do? The first step is recognize the issue. You need to understand that it's okay to feel in this way. In your life would be moments when you would feel bad. You couldn't feel happy every day. But it doesn't mean that you should stuck in this bad feeling. You need to take a step back to reorganize your priorities to better understand the root cause of your feeling bad. For example, you could ask yourself, what brings you joy in the back? Maybe you have the previous hobbies that bring in your joy in life. Or it wasn't hobbies, it was some practices, some little things. Could you bring them back into your life? Just think about it. It's a simple question, but the answers would improve your well-being. Sometimes it's about these small changes. Set your boundaries. Find the project that excites you. Allow yourself to have a break from work. Take some time for you to rest. I would share with you little examples that you could do to bring back joy in your life, and you would be able to choose the most resonating thing with you to implement in your life. First that you could do is setting boundaries. And when setting them, you need to understand what boundaries do you have currently. What are the weaknesses? What you feel uncomfortable to do but doing. You need to understand that they are important for you. You need to set a clear boundaries between your work and your personal life. It would help you to regain a balance that you lost. For example, you could log off from all social media that you need for work for a certain time a day. You could stop checking emails on weekends. You could stop to respond to messages when you're on vacation. You could start to say no to work on weekends. You could stop to work on late nights. Stop overtiming. Make sure that through your working day you take regular breaks. Have a little walk in your park would help you to restore from stress on work. These small steps could make a big difference how you would feel your life and your work. They could bring you joy because you would stop to waste your energy on bad things. Another way to rediscover your joy is, for example, reconnected your passion to coding. Remember why you started it. What were you feeling? Were you passionate about solving complex issues? Or you wanted to build something from scratch? Or you interested to build some architecture models? What was the most interesting from you on start? When you would understand it, you could choose it and make it some pet project. If you were passionate about learning something new, start a pet project with a new fresh technology that you didn't know. Make it for fun. Find what would resonate with you and make it. Another thing that could bring you joy of your life is speaking with other people. Don't be afraid to seek support or talk about this. Sometimes even a small talk could help you a lot. You could talk to your friend, to your mentor. You could just discuss this problem with people that you're interested in speaking. Sometimes just voicing your concerns could help you. If you find that you're stuck with this, just speak with other developers about it. Try to speak with your relative people. When you start speaking about something, you'd better understand the problem and core reasons of it. At the end of the day, it's important to remember that your well-being is matters. It's totally okay to prioritize your feeling and prioritize your mental health. If you self yourself tired and burn out, it's a sign that you need to change something in your life. And remember, it's never too late to recover joy for your life. The faster you would start this process, the faster you would recover back joy. It's okay to prioritize your mental health, your happiness, your interest above work. Even in demanding fields like software engineering. If you are struggling now, I encourage you to take a step back. Reflect on things that could cause your problems. And if you would need a fast solution to solve your problems, trusted by a lot of developers, fully anonymous, feel free to contact me. Check links in description and in bio. I provide courses, trainings, consultations for solving mental health problems for software engineers. And from my personal experience, I know that sometimes just having a conversation could have a big difference and big impact for you. If you find this video helpful and useful, share it to other developers community, share with your friends which struggling with same problems as you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. Take care about yourself first and everything will be good in your life. Bye.